Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can change your password of your Facebook account. Do watch the video till the end so that you'll be able to change your password by yourself. To change your Facebook password, you have to be logged in to your Facebook account first. Then, on the top right corner of the page, you can see the arrow button facing downward. Click the arrow button and go to Settings and Privacy. Go to Settings, and here on the left hand side there is Security and Login. Click Security and Login. Now there are many things in the settings that you can modify. To change the password, in the login option there is Change Password. Click on Edit. Now you can see Current Password, New, and Retype Password. To change the password, you should know the current password of your Facebook. Enter your current password, then enter new password. Retype your password, and in case you have forgotten your current password, you can click Forgot Your Password and then click Save Changes. Now you have changed your password. Thank you so much for watching till the end. If this video was helpful for you, do like, share, and leave a comment down below. Subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so that you'll get notified when we post another new helpful videos for you.